Ice cream, derived from earlier iced cream or cream ice, is a sweetened frozen food typically eaten as a snack or dessert. So, let's jump into the video to see steps we should follow when eating ice cream according to a scientist. Before we begin, we publish good content videos every day. If you're not subscribed to the channel since, don't forget to tap the subscribe button below, otherwise I will hypnotize you. Ice cream is a stable sweet treat in most Brits' freezers, especially now the weather is warm. But if, like most people, you simply dig in without a second thought, you have been doing it wrong. With the help of sensory scientist Dr. Sarah Kemp, low-calorie ice cream brand Oppo Brothers have discovered exactly how we should be eating ice cream for it to taste the best. The formula helps to create a sensory experience and maximum flavor. Who knew? But since that probably means nothing to most of us, they have also shared 7 easy to follow steps. Firstly, you should leave the ice cream for 15 minutes after getting it out of the freezer to reach 14 degrees Celsius. It will be soft to the touch. No need to aggressively dig at it with a spoon. This will release the aroma molecules. Using a teaspoon, scoop out a small amount of ice cream, about half of the spoon. Then place the teaspoon upside down into your mouth so the ice cream touches your tongue taste buds first. Move the ice cream around your mouth, taking note of the cold sensation and creamy texture. Inhale through your mouth so that it reaches all your receptors. Keep the ice cream in your mouth for a full 12 seconds to experience maximum flavor. Repeat with every bite to build up the full ice cream taste, profile and sensation. A flavor expert and sensory scientist said flavor is extremely important and getting the most out of every mouthful should be your number one priority, especially when it comes to ice cream. However, more often than not, people are unaware of how to maximize flavor sensation when it comes to eating all types of foods. When tasting ice cream, turning the spoon upside down as it enters your mouth ensures the ice cream touches your taste buds first, giving you a strong flavor impact almost instantly. So I think you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to click the like button below this video and subscribe to the channel.